Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing legal sources. This avoids takedowns and preserves quality. Once you have Blu-ray rips or purchased digital copies, make sure files are high bitrate, 1080p or better, so edits look sharp. Next, organize clips by episode and timestamps. This saves hours later when you need a quick cut. Also, note codecs. Use MP4/H, 264 or MKV to maintain compatibility. Now, open your editing project and import only the clips you will actually use. Once done with sourcing, extract precise moments using VLC or FFmpeg. Write down exact start and end timestamps so you can batch export later. Then import into your NLE, set in and out points, enable snapping, and remove excess with ripple delete to retain timeline flow. Make sure to keep clips on keyframes to avoid frame blending issues. For audio, isolate vocals and music when needed, normalize levels, and place markers on beats. This makes transitions and timing feel professional. You finish by polishing. Color grade to match clips, add speed ramps for impact, and use masks to keep faces clear. Once satisfied, export with proper settings, match source frame rate, choose H, 264 or H, 265, and set a target bitrate suitable for 1080p. If your upload gets blocked, first check Content ID claims, then prepare proof of purchase and fair use notes, or re-edit to add transformative elements. One tip, keep project backups and export an intermediate file for troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.